The whole weekend has been awesome. It's been great to be able to reconnect with people that I met last year. The workshops have been great. It's cool to have a major design conference in Cleveland. A lot of times people don't know that awesome design is coming out of the Midwest. Every time I'm in Cleveland, I love it more. I think that it has a really colorful community. There's a lot of really interesting work happening here.
As I was growing up as a designer, I was missing role models. So I'm giving back and I'm becoming a role model so I can help kids be better by using design and telling them about technology and filling in this gap. These kids need so much. There's so much violence, there's so much disparity in the community right now. We need somebody to uplift these kids, and that's what I come to do.
The reason why people like to come out and speak, the reason why people like to get involved in the community, which is kind of the theme of tonight's show, is because once you find that happiness and you kind of see the world for what it can be, all you want to do is bring other people over to that spot. It's about finding people that you don't know you're destined to be good friends with. Being a creative professional is truly different than any other industry. It's part money, it's part emotion, but it all comes from you.